Let's make a GLP-1 friendly meal box that's packed with nutrients, protein, and flavor. So the base of this meal box is going to be some smoked salmon. You don't have to use smoked fish. I like smoked fish. We could also use grilled chicken, any sort of main protein base like that. So this smoked salmon, pre-packaged, it's great for a snack box like this. Also super good to throw on a salad. We're just gonna use half of this today, and this is gonna be in kind of the base section of our box. Okay, in our next container, it's just gonna be cottage cheese. This is Good Culture. This is my personal favorite brand. The texture is really nice. The serving size is half a cup. I'd say we're at about a third cup. And that half a cup is 14 grams of protein. So I'd say this little thing of cottage cheese is about 10 grams of protein right there. Next, I'm just gonna top this cottage cheese with some garlic salt. You can put whatever seasoning you'd like on here, but it's gonna help give it some flavor. The last thing going in the snack box are gonna be some veggies. You can either eat them on your own, you can dip them in the cottage cheese. This is just a great combination. And there you have it. You have your smoked salmon, you have your cottage cheese with garlic salt, and some veggies.